welcome to the Minecraft family channel. This is Tyra. Today I have an unboxing of a diamond dots painting which I bought of a British company called Sue and So, I think. I ordered it, I think, last Wednesday, and it arrived after 4 days shipping, so that's pretty good. This is one that I've been eyeballing for a long time, and the prices on diamond dots is really high in Denmark and in Europe in general. We don't really get any coupons and so on, so they are really pricey, these paintings. But I really wanted to try one, and the one that I've been eyeballing for a while is it's called the Dragon Princess. So let's see if I can get it out of this one package. There's my invoice, and it's really nicely packed. They packed it into some plastic box. I don't know. It fared a lot better than it normally would if it's gone from China. As you can see here is she. So she's called the Dragon Princess, and it's the Advanced Expert module. Here we have the design, and I've never seen unboxing of this one. I've seen it on a couple of YouTube videos, and then I've been looking around for it. Size 85 times 67 centimeters, and it's a partial, or the background is not to be filled out. Doesn't really matter. So let's try and unbox it and see what's in it. I've been really looking forward to seeing this one and seeing also the quality of diamond dots. In me getting it from England means that I was able to buy this one for a price which I couldn't buy it for in Denmark, so that's really good. So my husband decided to buy this for me, so he's being really kind and sweet at the moment. So in here we have, or not at the moment, always, here we have the diamond dots canvas, and let's try and get the rest of it out. And here was the drills and the tool tray. So here we have a small compartment or small closed box for the wax, and there's 2 pieces of wax in it. And then we have a placer, a foam thingy, and some baggies and so on. So first time I get a brown one. So this is like you would normally get them from China. There's nothing much different here. And then we have all the drills, but let's take a look at the drills afterwards. They look really nice and packaged really nice. Lots of special. Oh, I'm not going to glue it. So let's put that aside and have a look at the canvas, which looks really good. They say add some sparkle to your world. And what does Diamond Art Club say? Do what makes you sparkle. Yeah, so almost the same slogans. And the canvas is oh, that's a nice canvas. It's a cloth canvas. It's totally different from other canvas that I've ever had. Really nice canvas. And let's try and roll her out. So she's in here and going to be folded back. I think that this needs to be laid down for a while. I don't think it's going to matter much that it's a bit folded up here. It's just folds. Let's just try and take this one back and lay it flat, and the flow of folds disappears. So I think, sorry, I'm just going to put this one under here just to hold it a bit. Let's lay it down here, and perhaps I'm just going to lift this one up so we can put it down. Oh, it looks really nice, and the background looks really good as well. I'm really impressed with that, and I think the glue is really good on it as well. So, but let me just, can you see her? Yeah, I can just take you down. I think it's going to come up again. So this is how she's looking at the moment. It looks really good. And the drill field is really clear. And the background, the material is a really cloth-like material. It's totally different from what I've gotten before. I don't think I have anything like this one. I really like this feel of it. It's really like a piece of cloth. I think you're able to sew on it as well if you wanted to do that. And as I just said, it's coming down perfectly, even though it came a bit folded, a bit funny. I'm able just to take the plastic bag and put it down again, and the folds comes out. So I'm not worried about any problems with the canvas at all. It's looking really nice. Oh, that's going to be fun to do. I really like her. So let's just try and see if I can roll her back up and put her back into her sleeve. I think I'm just going to do it this way this time, just to make sure that this, yeah. Let's see if I can find the sleeve, and then we can just take a look at the drills. Yeah, it's a really, I can just show you, I don't know if you can see this, but this is a really nice canvas. It's like a piece of cloth, and I think she's going to look amazing when she's done. Definitely one I'm going to hang somewhere. I already have the frame for her, so just need to find a place. And I was a bit concerned that it was that it was partial, but I think with it being so nice, I don't think it's going to matter much. So I'm just taking you down and taking you over here so we can take a look at the drills without. So let's just try, and I still have all of this plastic all over. So let's see the drills on her and take a closer look. As you can see, it says Dragon Princess on her, on the drills. And let's see, lots of drills in here. And now I didn't really look at how many colors there were. Could have been nice if there was an inventory sheet, but again, they don't do that. these companies, but it's here, so we can just have it lying here so we can see. There is 32 different colors in it, 20 or 28 normal colors, and then we've got 32 which is different beads. So let's just see. I think this must be it. So A22, 20. So where do we start? I think we start here. So that's oh, there's a lot of, oh, they're beautiful. Okay, so the first color is an AB diamond, white, but then look at this beautiful light blue, baby blue, also an AB, really pretty. And then it just comes along in pretty blue colors all the way to dark colors. I don't think that there is a B. No, they're not. They're not in DMC codes. So, but I'm okay with that. I don't really mind. And then we have beautiful, really good quality rhinestones. 2 different colors rhinestones, and then we've got some yellows and some blues. Again, different shades of blues. There's going to be many blues in there. I can't wait to do her. I think she's going to look so good. And then finally, the last colors here are here and all the way down here. With ending up with some brownish colors, and yeah, then we have the special ones. I think it's that there's one here which is the A28. It's probably broken off somewhere. Let's see, 26, 27. Yeah, so the 28 is here. And then we've got the last 4 ones, which are the larger diamonds. And these are, oh, again, beautiful. Oh, I'm so amazed. But look at these. This is going to be a really fun project. Oh, I'm definitely going to have to do her so. And here there are some teardrop forms. And, oh, there's only one blue. I think Mary is going to be mad that there is many more left that there. I think these are in perfect count. So, oh, they're good. I am so happy with this one. This was a really expensive one, but judging from the quality just alone on it and the quality of the canvas, and yeah, I think I'm going to be so happy with it. I think it's going to look really, really, really good. And it's a pour-on glue as well, so it looks really good, and the dragon is going to look amazing. So yeah, a short but really nice boxing of this beautiful Chinese inspired girl with her dragon. I think I know where I have to place her, and then I think she's coming up next time. This I really want to do, and I don't think that's going to take a whole lot of time to do it, but I think it's going to be so nice to work on, and I think I'm going to do some drill alongs on this one. So yeah, if you like this unboxing, give me a thumbs up. Questions below. I'm going to link to the store, but it's not really relevant for you who lives in the States, and for you living in Britain. They've got a sale, or they had a sale where I think it was 40% off normal price, so that's why I grabbed it. But take a look for yourself. I think the Sew and Sew store also has a lot of craft things. I think I am going to buy some more stuff of them later when I do want to do some more cross stitch or something. They look to have a lot of really nice kits and so on. Nothing that we have in Denmark. So yeah, but subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and see you in my next video. Have fun diamond painting and take care. Bye for now.